Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace and a static-free mat to prevent any damage to your laptop's components. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Flip the laptop over and remove the screws securing the bottom panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws. Be sure to keep them organized so you can easily replace them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you don't want to damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you will see the internals of your laptop, including the fan. Next, locate the fan. It will be connected by a couple of screws and a power connector. Remove the screws holding the fan in place, which are usually Phillips screws as well. Afterward, gently disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This step is crucial. Ensure you do not pull on the cable itself, but rather pull the connector directly. Now, take your new fan and place it where the old fan was located. Start by connecting the power cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated properly. Once connected, secure the fan with the screws you previously removed. This ensures that the fan is stable and will function correctly once powered on again. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the interior of the laptop. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and cooling performance. If you find yourself overwhelmed or lacking the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service can help identify any other issues your laptop may have. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device serviced without any hassle of calls or travel. Once the cleaning is complete, carefully place the bottom panel back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure it snaps back into place. Replace all screws in the order they were removed. This step is important to ensure that everything is securely fastened. Finally, flip the laptop back over, connect it to the power source, and power it on. Listen for the fan to ensure it is functioning properly. If you encounter any unusual noises or issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the fan in your HP Envy 13A0006NS. Keeping your laptop cool is essential for its longevity, and this simple maintenance can make a significant difference in performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.